how anything becomes easy or difficult depends on the level of effort we put in. But putting the level of effort is frustrating if it is not creative. If there is a drama, there is a story, or there is something interesting in anything, it becomes very easy for us to understand. And if it is not, if it is just like sentences, paragraph, chapters and book, it will definitely be boring. That's why we need a teacher who can put some story behind the text we study, or can give a context in which we can see all the concepts and definitions dancing around. Now, we all have this unique capability of imagination, and this unique capability of imagination comes from the power of self-awareness, the power of us, the power we all contain in making meaning out of anything which is around us. We are all born storytellers. So if we use this technique of storytelling and associating some interesting aspects with the definition and with the concept we study, things become easy. And that's one of the area where I'm working on. I passed this exam, CISSP, and I put a lot of effort in building some stories, some interesting diagrams and things, which actually helped me in carrying the whole bucket of load. The whole pitara, you say in Hindi, of definitions and terminologies and facts and figures. And hopefully in my video series, I am going to explore them, not just explore them as I understand, but I will try to explore it in a way which is more vibrant, more colorful, and more interesting. Let's hope it comes like this, and we'll see you in my video series. Thanks for watching this video.